Hello! This is me again, Roja Briner, ang inyong alindog, linis lang ang katapat. Welcome aboard to my channel. I'm back again. Well, today vlog is for our plantitos and plantitas. Look, all my plants, and here my plants, and yet, look what I bought, the elephant ear. The elephant ears is, but before that, please subscribe and tap the notification bells so you are always notified with my new videos. So we need to unboxing my elephant ears. I bought in online plants. Look, because all the plantitas and plantitos, this is better. So let's now unboxing. But yeah, lucky. What is it here? This is hard. Oh my God. There we go. Lucky. Because luck is always. So, I show you guys the elephant ears. Ayan. There. Yan po. Charan! So that's why I'm wearing all green because I love green. And I love things green. There we go. The elephant ear. Ito po yung malaki siya na para siyang, it looks like, what do you call that? It looks like, what do you call that? Laing or kamo, I don't know what's that in the Philippines. But mostly this is in South America. You see? Here. Beautiful, right? So, I hope everybody from Plantitas Plantitos, did you enjoy my unboxing elephant ears? Ayan. Maganda siya, di ba? Kasi, the elephant ears is really expensive and talagang lumalaki siya ng talagang bonggang-bongga. O, diba? So, please guys, don't forget to subscribe and please tap the notification bell para lagi kayong nanonotified my new videos. Ayan, ne? Beautiful. And ito po ang kanyang certificate na talagang he came from bansang chururut. I don't know it's really. But I'm happy because my ears elephant I received my elephant ears plant, diba? So, kailangan natin siyang palakihin at saka kailangan lang siya dito sa indoor. So, para to maintain or biglang lalaki ang kanyang lips. Ne? So, thank you mga kalindog.